Working with Apogee has actually been really great, really refreshing. In fact, the people that first came to meet us are still the same people that we're talking about now. Max has been involved from day one. He's able to escalate any issues that we do have. He's taken an interest in our business. He actually understands our business, really well. And we really feel like in Apogee, we've got a real trusted supplier as our business starts to grow. So if I was to describe Apogee in a few words, it would be dependable, it would be knowledgeable. There's a real great resource of knowledge there. And fundamentally, they're trusted because they've done what they've said. So some of our future plans and how Apogee are helping us with those, we're looking at areas, as you'd expect, in things like AI and how we can, help our team become more efficient with their time. But one big one for us is going to be 3D printing of parts actually of our vehicles on an industrial level. And Apogee, with their sort of printing background, but also their resources at HP, have had some really encouraging early discussions with us about actually how we can start really transforming some of our elements of supply chain.